Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zahra Hashmi is here with you again with another lesson. And before we begin today's lesson, let's do a quick recap of the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we learned about our country Pakistan. We first had a look at the flag of Pakistan and then at the map of Pakistan. And we located three important cities on the map. Do you remember them? Islamabad, Lahore. Do you remember the third city? Yes, you're right. Karachi. These were the three cities we located in the previous lesson. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn more about these three important cities of Pakistan. Let's begin with Islamabad. Islamabad. Do you recognize this man in the picture? I bet you all do. He is Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And you know where he lives? He lives in Islamabad because Islamabad is the most important city of Pakistan. The most important city of any country is its capital. So Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Which city is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. And this is Faisal Mosque. Faisal Mosque is located in Islamabad and it is a very famous mosque. It's very grand and beautiful. So where Faisal Mosque is located? Faisal Mosque is located in the capital city of Pakistan, that is Islamabad. Lahore. We live very near to Lahore and Lahore is here on the map. And look, it's right next to Sheikhupura. So we live very near to Lahore, and many of you might have visited Lahore. And Lahore is the most important city in the province of Punjab. Lahore is capital of Punjab. Okay? Do you recognize this mosque? Yes, you're right. This is Badshahi Mosque. Do you know where it is located? Yes, it is located in the city of Lahore. It is very old and grand mosque built by a Mughal emperor. It is located at the very beginning of the Lahore. Once we cross the river Ravi, we are able to easily spot it even if we are passing by the place in the car. Karachi, do you recognize this man in the picture? Yes, his photo is on the currency notes of Pakistan. He is Quiad-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. And Quiad-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born in Karachi. That's why Karachi is called Shahr-e-Qaid, Qaid city. And this building is Tomb of Quiad-e-Azam. Tomb is a place where someone important is buried. And Quiad-e-Azam is buried in Karachi. People go to his tomb, pay their respect, and do Fatiha Khwani. So Quiad-e-Azam was born in Karachi and he is also buried in Karachi. And Karachi is also called Qaid city. Time for homework. Identify the country and complete the fact file about country with the help of word bank given below. Urdu, Allama Iqbal, Pakistan, hockey, Quiad-e-Azam. Look at the flag. Can you recognize this flag? I told you flags are unique and a flag becomes an identity of a nation. So, which country flag is this? And you have to complete this fact file. Name of country, founder's name, national poet, national game, national language. Write your answers, complete the fact file, and once you've completed your work, email it to me at zahrahashmi83@gmail.com. Now that's all for today. Have a fabulous day.